Put it in.
Oh wait, I don't think so. I don't think so. No.
Gotchalini, what are you eating?
No.
Is that the right way, Bob?
No, it's not.
No.
Sorry. Sorry about it, Daddy.
Adi's getting ready for school. After tomorrow, Adi Paris will have 2 weeks off.
So what's 7 plus 7? 14?
Good.
Huh?
Yeah.
14.
You have 14 days off.
You're like one.
Huh?
And we're going to Zara.
You're like grandpa.
Daddy. And I have to pay with Daddy.
Lini, you look like you're about to get a snack.
Not smacking.
Snack you?
No, we're not.
Oh.
No!
Lini, say morning.
Many.
Where's that? I think it's water bottle, mommy.
What is this hand?
Inside the bag.
Mine?
Where?
You seen that there? Oh, Paris. Oh, there.
I can't. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, you used it
Hurry up.
last night.
Trouble. That's mine.
Louie. Say goodbye, Louie, ate.
Bye, boy.
See you this afternoon, Louie.
Bye, Daddy.
Oh, no, she's saying bye. Oh, she's saying bye now.
Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Go, ate. Pilini.
Bye-bye. Louis, nobody. Louis.
Beautiful girl. Wherever you are.
Oi! Ate.
And
Put it
now
back.
when I see you,
Walk out the front door.
you have opened the door. I know that I love again.
Oi!
After a long, long while,
Daddy, you can follow me.
I love you more. Where are we going today?
Playgroup.
Playgroup.
Playgroup and anti-ropes.
Dito na kami sa labas ng playgroup ni Baby Celine, guys. Here's our bag for today. Love it. And water bottle. Labas ka na, Inday. Lumabas ka na, Inday. Please stay. Ang nawang. Yeah. Come, we'll go get coffee first. I like hot chocolate first. What are you getting, Ling Ling?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Drink.
Drink. We're getting hot chocolate. Have you been showing Tina to everyone? Yeah? Hold this one? You want me to put in the bag? Oh, you pocket. You got pocket. You got pocket. On your dress. Yeah, you can put Tina in there. You put Tina in there. She will fit there. That looks yummy. Don't put it there, bye-bye, we'll fall. It's now 11:30 ng umaga, guys. And, nandito kami ngayon sa Camp Hill because may appointment si Mami New for nails. So, ang aking nails, guys, when was the last time I did my nails?
It's broken.
Yeah, that's right, it's broken. So, mag-aano na siya. Ang babalik. Tawag nito, isang buwan ata ito. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang haba na niya. At dahil sobrang haba na niya, tingnan nyo, no. So, dito na side ay okay. But dito na side, ayan, naputol na siya, guys. Ayan, nung nilakad ko si Louie. Ayan. So, kailangan na talaga siyang ipagawa kasi hindi na siya hindi na siya magandang tingnan. So, today is Thursday and naisipan ko, kasi medyo malaki na si Baby Celine. Never kasi akong nagpagawa ng kung ano-ano before, guys, for myself, nakasama si Baby Celine. Kasi maliit pa siya at kailangan talaga niya ng kailangan niya ng atensyon. Buti na lang, tinanong ko yung si Tammy, siya yung gumagawa ng kuko ko. Tinanong ko, sabi ko, is it okay if I take my daughter with me? Advantage here kasi yung nasa bahay siya. So meron siyang sariling setup sa bahay na alam niyo, like one-on-one ba? Like private siya. So Celine can play there. Sabi niya may mga laruan daw yung mga anak din niya na mapaglaruan ni Baby Celine. Baba. Lip balm. It's lip gloss. Lip gloss. Yeah. So, 12 o'clock pa yung appointment namin ni Baby Celine. And it's still 11:37. So, maaga kami. Nandito lang kami sa baba, guys. Nakita niyo na yung view nila dito before? Ano? Tingnan niyo, sobrang ganda ng kanilang view. Diba? Forest. Green forest.
I see I can't see the pink.
What can you see?
See my pink dress in the car.
Where?
In the car.
In the boat?
In the car.
In the car. Hala ko. What's that lang? What's that lang? Is it spider?
No.
Ano? Tingnan niyo ang laki-laki ng puno na to. Ayan, so very exciting, guys. Kasi, starting na nakakasama ko na si Baby Celine sa ating mga appointments. It means na lumalaki na talaga siya. Pero, tingnan niyo yan. Very tricky yung sadaan, guys. Oh, patunga sa bukid. Oh my God, scary. Be careful, here, this way. Go up. Okay, go up. Show Mama you can do it. Wow, strong Celine. Be careful. Be careful, go. Ay kaligid sa bakilid. Uban-uban pa. Sayang Mama Wow, Lini. Oh, so strong. Turn left. Yeah. Return here. This way. One, two, three. No, it's okay. No, there. Say hi. Say hi.
Mommy's nails is broken.
Mummy nail broken. Oh, I will fix mummy nail. Oh, this one. Oh, beautiful. Oh.
You wanna sit next to Mama?
Yes, sit to mama and then I do for you. Oh my God, my mini.
Can I leave it here so the cat?
Sure, yeah.
Used to wait till I do, and I'd love to get away, just a different yesterday. I'm not looking for change, but I love it anyway, to escape my day to day or a different.
Did you choose that? Yep.
Stay still. Wow.
Don't move. Don't move. Stay like that. It has to dry, okay? You have to wait. She knows what to do.
It's not yet.
Not yet. It will
Yes,
take a
it's very
while.
wet.
Don't touch, don't touch. Wow, look, you got a fan.
Got your own fans.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Good job.
Nói.
Nasty.
Nói rồi đó hả? Yay!
What you say? Thanks.
He's blue. Blue. Blue there. He's a blue.
Yes. Blue, blue.
Nasa labas na kami ng school na Ate Paris, guys, and it's still very early. It's currently 2:17 ng hapon, so may time pa. Pero hindi na lang ako umuwi kasi baby Celine is now sleeping. Kaya dumiretso na ako sa school Ate Paris. So ito pala ang aking bagong kulay ng kuko. Ayan. So it's yellow and the pastel family of yellow. Ayan, and as usual, it's the almond shape. There you go. I'm so happy with myself now. I brought myself to choose another color apart from pink or like lavender. Kasi every time na pumupunta ako ng nail salon, I always gravitate towards the pink color.
A few moments later.
Sa bahay na kami, guys. Ayan, nire-ready ko lang itong ipopost ko today. Hinihintay ko lang si Yes, anak.
Give me something to open up that. Hey! Oh, teaching it.
Hey, that's seaweed. Would you like seaweed? Oh, okay. You sit down there. Hintayin ko lang si Daddy Mike na makabalik from his lunch break, guys. Nilalakad niya si Louie. And then, ako naman yung alis. Punta ako ng post office para i-post tong nabenta natin sa eBay. We've got this Prada canvas shoulder bag. So, I'll see kung magkasya siya dito. I'll see. Anyways, yeah. Ayan. Malinis na yun siya. I dusted off already, so ready to go na yun.
Here we go.
Give me one lang, babe.
Huh?
Give me one.
Give me popcorn.
The cheese ring. Thank you. Saan yun na eh? Iring laon na nung kab... Kaya ko to. Tignan niyo na! Hindi ko napansin. Meron pa pala ako na ganito sa cupboard.
That's how the cheese rings. Just one.
Oh, so tomorrow, last day natin para sa, this term. May disco daw sila bukas. Sa haul na disco. Ay, do you wanna join in, Ning?
I'm coming.
Ay, shit.
If you have 3 postcards or more, get to go. But if you only have one or 2 or 0, you can't go. Carla's coming.
What happened?
Carla's coming.
Cruella's coming?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, scary. Scary Cruella. Ano
No.
palang ka man ni Mama?
Not scary. Look here. Pizza.
Pizza?
Gotta try that now. First I'm trying these
Want to
two.
try? Put in your ring. Will you marry me?
One for
Okay,
that.
okay. Okay. Will you marry me?
It's an edible one.
Malapit na mag-fun club, guys. Kaya ha? Mamadali si mami niya. Baka magsara na yung post office eh. Ayan, nagdala na rin ako ng plastic bags kasi didiretso tayo sa grocery store. Bibili tayo ng something for dinner, tubig, tsaka milk. Iniwan ko yung mga girls kasi alam nyo na kapag kasama yung dalawa, siguradong matatagalan. Ando naman si Daddy Mike. So, nanood sila ng TV. And also, I'm super excited guys na pumunta ng post office kasi may natanggap akong email kanina na it's ready na daw for pick up yung aking may delivery tayo guys for like a collaboration. So, hindi ko siya i-open today but I'm going to do an unboxing tomorrow. I'm super excited. Oh my god. Anyways, see you later. Oh wow, linya pa more.
Okay, not today, but maybe next one.
I am done sa post office and I'm just walking towards the bank now kasi ilalagay ko sa bangko yung ating benta from the other day. So, meron tayong konti. Vlog pa more. So, malapit lang naman sa post office guys yung ATM. So, ilalakad ko na lang. Iniwan ko yung sasakyan doon. Kailang kasi mag-close na naman yung post office kasi it's nearly 5 o'clock. So, wala nang pupunta. So, I went to the bank at, you won't believe it guys. So, there was a lady in front of me and everything was fine. Nung ako na yung sumunod, nakalagay na sa screen, this ATM is out of service. Grabe! Kay balas ka ba naman? Before tayo mag-grocery ay maglalagay muna tayo ng petrol sa ating sasakyan because it's going low na. Alam niyo ba, nakikita niyo sa screen ko yung aking stick magpapagusong ina muna tayo. And oh my goodness guys, the box is here. Bukas ko na to i-unbox. I'm super excited. My goodness, makita nyo to guys sa susunod na vlog ko, unboxing. I can't believe na isa ako sa napili nilang collab para sa kanilang products. See you soon. Kakapark ko lang sa petrol station. Have a look. It is 225.9 cents per liter guys. Yung 91. Kasi yung unleaded 91 yung ginagamit ko para sa sasakyan. It's expensive today, huh? Timing talaga guys. Full tank yan guys, ha? 57 liters, $128.85. Ayan. So every time nagpapagasolina ako guys, dapat full tank talaga kasi I can't be bothered getting out all the time, especially yung mga kids.
Discount. ROCQ.
I've got the rewards like police. Right, thank you.
126.57, please.
No worries. Can I pay cash?
Oh, sure.
Thank you very much.
126.55.
Awesome. There you go.
1, 2, 3. Need a receipt?
No, all good. Thank you. Napakamahal na lang. Oh my God. $5.50. This one looks good. eat.
Can I watch your phone for a minute? Please. Please, Mama.
You're so cute.
Please, Mama.
What are you watching? What are you gonna watch?
I'll watch Halloween. I'll watch Halloween.
Can I watch your phone for a minute?
Halloween. Halloween. Please. Mommy, please. Please. Mommy, help.
Show you what's mine.
Daddy, he should watch. Dada. Here, you take it.
Thank you.
Love you. I love you. I love you.